You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is x equals 10/9. Let's solve it step by step. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Add 1/2 to both sides. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Reduce the zero numerator. Simplify the arithmetic. Find the lowest common denominator. Multiply the denominators. Multiply the numerators. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Isolate the x. Multiply both sides by inverse fraction 4/3. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the fraction. Multiply the fractions. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is x equals 10/9.